Hey Internet, today's lesson is patterning, so linear and circular. I use mirror as well. I hardly ever use curve and sketch, and I never use these three because they're really math dependent and you really need to know what you're doing to use them. So we'll just cover these two today. So I got my basic base and I got my spline. I've got my hole and I made a guide circle and I made an axis. So to make an axis, you just use reference geometry and just go axis. What I did was I first made the guide circle on the origin, and I just picked line, and I picked the origin point and then just the back of the base, and we'll just exit out of that because it's already pre-made. So alright, so we'll start off with linear patterning. So direction, we want to go to our right, and I've preset 70 distance. In our second direction, we want to go down. So the feature that we want to pattern is our spline extrude. As you can see, there's 3 across and 2 down. So it's going down once and it's 3 across. Alright, so obviously we don't want these two because they'll interfere with our circular pattern later on. So what we're going to do is click skip. So instances to skip. So just click on this purple pink dot. My apologies if you're colorblind. Okay, so here's our pattern, and now we'll move on to circular pattern. So the direction, it will ask for the axis. So this is the axis that we pre-made, and whoa, that looks kind of funky. 360, and that's not what we want. That's probably the reason why. So we just want the whole 360 equal spacing. And for more professional SolidWorks users, they usually just don't make the guide circle, but since my imagination level is like tier 1, it's not great. I use it to spot out where the holes are going to be. So if we make it, so that's our hole pattern, and we can just go to our guide circle and just hide the guide circle. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you got any questions, let me know. Until next time, see ya.